9, 10. That's it. Good, good. Woo. That's it, that's it. Good, good. Moving up on, moving up. Don't back off. Legs, sit. Legs, sit. Eyes forward. Legs. Nice, nice. Hold this split. That's it. Hold the split, hold this power. Hold the high scores off. That's it. Legs. Control. Legs. Sit. That's it. Once of those just off our bell still. Still inching up. Press in. Press in. And 2, ratio shift. That's 1, 2, ratio shift. Control, send it. Control, send it. That's it. Good, good. Press, send. Control, press, send. Eyes forward. Last 1,000 on this one here. Good. Firm the pressure up, firm the pressure up. Legs. Legs. Sit. Alright, Westerville's definitely lift the pressure here. Match them, match them. Legs. Legs. Sit. Ease in the wheels. Jump. Control, jump, set. That's it. Good, nice strong legs. Press, set. Press, set. And 2, let's take another 10. Work our way back to Westerville. That's 1, 2, on this one. 1, 2, control. 3, 4, ease on the wheels. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, relax, send it. Control, send it. Good. Think the drop and drive here. Drop and drive. Drop, drive. Control. Drop, drive. That's it. Good. Good. Press. Control. Press. Send. I think acceleration. Legs. Send. That's it. Legs, sit. Eyes forward, chin up, chest up. All right, last 500 here, last 500. Legs, control, legs, sit. Legs, sit. All right, let's go start their sprint. Take 5 for breathing. Get the boat together on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good. All we're gonna do is just firm the pressure up here. And 2, up the pressure. That's 1, 2, on this one. Drop and drive. Drop, drive. Drop, drive. That's it. Good, keep the leg out. Legs, sit. Control, legs, sit. That's it, good. That's it. 250 to go, 250 to go. Another bump up of the pressure. And 2. That's 1, 2, on this one. Legs, legs, sit, legs, sit. That's it. Good. Eyes forward, chin up, chest up. Here we go. Good. Moving up from more Seville. Last 20. Last 20. On this one. 1. Control. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Last 10. On this one. 1. 2. 3. That's it. 4. Drop drive. Drop drive. That's it. Try to stay on it. Stay on it. Send it. Control. Send it. 5 more. 5 more. On this one. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Legs. Sit. And paddle. Paddle, paddle. And 2 are way enough. That's 1. And 2 way enough. Yeah, just don't worry about it. Play sound. Nicely done, guys. That was fun. Probably a little bit more fun for me than for you. All right, let's go ahead. Let's start to spin it and take it back to the docks. Let's have starboards to back, ports to row, ready, back. About 23.8 for our time. Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, my steering was a little bit off. We went 5,044 meters.
There's a quad.
Yeah. Alright. That's good. All 8s are ready to... We'll let him go by. Keep spinning. We'll get angled. So we'll just keep backing. Alright, they see us. Nope. That's me. That's good. Way enough. Alright, you just gonna sit there, buddy? Sure, just sit there. Yeah, you know, just clog up the finish line. That's fine. I mean, I could have spun a little bit later, but Sherry, light top for me. That's good. All right, all 8, sit right to row. Ready, rope. We'll drive it down to 6s once we completely clear the course. Row well, row sharp. Just because you just raced 5,000 meters really hard doesn't mean that you get to row like crap. Oh, that's you, Kathy D. Yeah, you're in the women's vlog, right? Alright, well, there's only 2 of you, so...
So am I.
Yeah, okay, scratch that, we're just gonna keep it all 8. Get you guys up there. We'll do the quick swap. Although, you guys are on opposite sides, so let's do this. And 2, Megan and Kathy D, drop out. That's 1. 2, drop out, you 2. Get mentally prepared for your next race. That long, straight course. And everyone else, let's just go ahead from the pressure up here. Maybe a little bit too ambitious with that turnaround, but you guys can do it. This is actually going to take a little bit longer. You guys got the power and the strength. I'm confident in you. And two, let's have you guys back in. That's 1, 2, back in. So where are we? Three Rivers. What do we do? Well, we also race the warm up because, you know, our coach is a little bit too ambitious sometimes. Don't cheer for us, that's fine. Now, that's actually illegal for races. Yeah, well, because you could be yelling, coaching stuff. Eyes forward, chin up. Chest up. I like this boat. Kathy D and Megan, once we get up over heads and off the dock, you can drop off and go to the quads. Alright, forward slight. Actually, and two, way enough. That's 1, 2, way enough. Blades down. Porch check. And a few strokes, please.
Stay checked.
Uncheck it. Keep going, Alan. Alan, sorry. It's good, way enough. Stern 4, sit ready to row. Stern 4, ready, rope. Five, 6 out. And Megan, whale on it. Alright, equal. Yep. Alright, together. Low. 7, Megan, pressure. There we go. And way enough. Lean away. Lean to port. Port, sorry. probably indicate which side.
Betsy, go to the far side. Betsy, you want to take it wide? The wind's gonna blow you in.
Keep leaning away, guys. These rocks are a little bit higher. Yeah, it was fun. That turn really messed me up, though.
There's a turn? I was like, wait a minute. I think I would know.
Alright. That's good. Way enough.
Keep it wide.
Alright. One foot up. And out.